How to learn speech reading for better communication. Speech reading, often called lip reading, is an important skill for those with hearing loss. It helps you understand spoken language by visually interpreting how a person's mouth, face, and gestures move. To learn speech reading effectively, it's best to follow a structured approach that builds your skills step by step. First, it is essential to understand the basics of speech reading. It is not just about watching lips move. You will need to recognize subtle visual cues from the mouth, face, and even body language. Under good conditions, about 40% of English speech sounds can be seen on the lips. However, many sounds look similar, like mat, bat, and pat. This means that context, facial expressions, and your knowledge of language will help you fill in the gaps. Next, consider seeking professional evaluation and guidance. Speech pathologists or audiologists can assess your current speech reading and listening skills. They will review your hearing history and discuss your communication needs. Based on this, they can recommend a personalized training program tailored to your abilities and goals. Engaging in formal speech reading training is another important step. Training usually involves learning specific visual cues for different speech sounds. You will practice using these cues effectively in conversations and receive feedback to improve your accuracy and confidence. Exercises will gradually increase in difficulty, starting from recognizing single words to understanding full sentences and stories. Combining speech reading with auditory training and other communication strategies can enhance your learning. For instance, using cued speech, which involves hand shapes near the mouth to clarify sounds, can be very helpful. This multimodal approach improves speech recognition, especially in noisy environments. Regular practice in real-life situations is crucial. Try to focus on watching speakers, faces in well-lit areas, and reduce background noise when you can. Use contextual clues from the conversation topic and do not hesitate to ask for clarification if you need it. Be patient and persistent. Learning speech reading is a complex skill that takes time to develop. Improvement will be gradual, and even skilled speech readers may only visually identify part of the spoken words. However, training can lead to significant gains in your communication ability and confidence. Both children and adults with hearing loss can benefit from speech reading training. For children, it supports language development and learning. For adults, especially those who have acquired hearing loss, training can improve communication in daily life. In summary, learning speech reading involves professional assessment, structured training focused on visual cues, combining it with auditory and other methods, and regular practice. This approach can enhance your ability to understand speech visually, improving your overall communication and quality of life.